Here in East Africa, over 4 million years ago, lived our earliest known ancestors. If we could visualize time as distance, 1 meter representing 1,000 years, those ancestors would be 4 kilometers away, a vast length of time. Using the same scale, a finger would represent the span of a human life. The forearm, the length of time the white man has been here. Nairobi, a tented railhead against the wilderness at the turn of the century. Now, a busy modern city. Once known to the Maasai as place of cold water, now for the 700,000 visitors to Kenya, Nairobi provides every facility. Now, Kenya's biggest industry, tourism, contributes billions of dollars to Kenya's national earnings. It has become an indispensable feature of the national economic, political, and social life. Eagerly exported to the wilderness, the tourist gets the chance to view a wildlife spectacle that just a few years ago would only have been available on television. Africa, once the preserve of the rich, is now available to everybody.